What's the meaning of card sharp? Card sharp. Card sharp.
Card sharp. Card sharp. Card sharp refers to a person who is skilled at manipulating playing cards to their advantage in a game of chance. They may use sleight of hand or other methods to cheat and win money from other players. The term sharp refers to their cunning and ability to deceive others. Being a card sharp is generally considered unethical and illegal. Those caught cheating at cards may face legal consequences and damage to their reputation. Ultimately, the result of being a card sharp is usually a short-term gain at the cost of long-term consequences.